day, this year, this week, this minute. I started my YouTube channel last year. This hour, my first ever video. Hey, my name is Mega Monster, and I'm back with a video. Last video, I explored a village. If you haven't seen this last video, and I punched the iron golem with my fist. I killed a pig. What is named Bob the Pig. And yeah, and that's his grave. And we had a funeral. Very awkward video, but still a video. I don't know what to do for this video. Think we'll figure it out when we go. Yeah, this Bob the Pig, you're alive. Bob the Pig, is that you? You're alive? Where do you go, Bob? Bob, you're alive? Not anymore! You shall not live! Who's a good pig? I feel sorry for that guy. All Bobs must die. This video, I'm going to try to get a cat, actually. That would actually be... What am I dying from? I swear I just got knocked back. Skeleton. I don't know why I make weird sound effects. Does anyone trade for fish? Anything for fish. Not even you. Wow. Wow. Well, I might have to go fishing, but I don't have a fishing rod. Oh, I still have a wooden pickaxe. We'll try to get enough for, that's enough for a stone. So, yeah, I'm going to actually go back to this village. Bob's mother-in-law. You must die as well, I'm sorry. You have nothing to do with the murder, but no one shall know. Bob, his mom, his dad, his brother, his sister are missing. Or killed. No one should know. I'm gonna try to find a desert temple. Pretty sure it's just ruined to getting a cat, but I know where they are. And is that a well in the middle of nowhere? Cool. Wait, dead bushes equal stick, right? Yeah. So I will probably be finding lots of dead bushes. It's it's a turtle. Do you have anyone who you love? Then you're useless. If you don't, you're useless. A coral biome. I haven't seen one of those since forever. That looks sick. Fish. Yes, I forgot though. In this update, you could, yes, get fish like that. I must. Oh, those are puffer. I don't want to mess with puffer. And that's a drowned. Oh, and I'm suffocating. That's a drowned. It's a drowned. I don't want to kill you. Like I did to your brother, but I actually didn't kill a brother, but you want to be my friend, but I don't. So, get off my territory. Oh no. You have a trident. There's 2 of them. I'm outnumbered. I'm outnumbered. Run. I'm safe. How much fish did I get? What? I hope a cat really loves me. But most don't really. But that was his family. Oh, I feel sorry for that guy who I just killed. That turtle. Actually extremely sorry. I actually might have to end the video here, but actually I won't. I just want a cat. I promise you my videos are not going to be that short, but I might have to. Since I'm not prepared today, it's a long day. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. Did you like my village already? No. You have to do what you have to do. I'm gonna have a few. I haven't tamed one since forever. You only can sleep at night. Look at the time. It's dawn. Stupid game. Anyone want a puffer fish? Not a puffer fish. A fish. A regular fish. Clownfish. Whatever fish. Tropical fish. No, I don't want to eat my tropical fish. I'm going to try to get rich by grabbing their food, villagers' food, trading them for their own food, and then get emeralds, and then go and get some diamond armor from the emerald trades, if there's any. So yeah. It's a night now. I wanted to see my kitty cat. I have to pick out a good one. Oh, that's another bed. I hear a zombie. Let me go to sleep, game. Please, I'm scared. I'm gonna pee in my pants. I'm too scared. Game, what the flip? Let me go to sleep. Let me sleep. Fine, don't let me sleep, game. Then I bet I'm gonna die from like oh, kitty cat. Kitty cat, I come to you. I come in peace. I come in peace. I come in peace. I have enough of waiting. Fine, don't let me sleep. I come in. Oh, that's a zombie. Well, I'm not scared of any fool. Come and get me. You eat no brains tonight. Oh, that's another one. I go to sleep tonight. You like Bob's grave? Meow. Yeah, meow's correct. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I have fish. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I have fish. You don't like fish? Yeah, that's right. Come to Papa. No, I don't want to eat the fish. Oh my gosh. How hard is it to tame you? Let me feed you. If I do all of this for nothing, she's gonna... No, I don't want to eat the fish. It's for you, the whole entire fish. It's okay. Don't be shy. Yeah, come to Papa. That's right. I have fish. These days, it's so hard to tame a kitty cat. Yeah, that's right. Come to Papa. You come, you... You know what? I'm going to trap you with blocks. So you have no other choice to come to me. Phantoms are gonna be after me soon. So I have to go to sleep. So. Okay. I don't know what you mean by game night. It's night. And it's... I don't think it's right. It's night. Why don't you let me sleep? That's where you're not, kitty cat. Fine, I'll go there. Ow. I want the gray one. The gray one looks perfect. The other one's just plain rude. Oh, I want the orange one. Come here, kitty cat. The orange one looks sick. Come to me, Papa. Come to Kitty. Come to Papa. I bet this whole entire episode is trying to get. What do you mean? Yes, I can sleep. Thank the Minecraft people. Where are you, kitties? Oh, it's right there. It's right there. I'll take off my shield if you don't like my shield. Oh, you did like it. I made more movements. I cannot move. I'm not touching my screen right now. Come to Papa. Yeah, come. Look at my fish. Look at the fish. Don't leave me, please. Yeah, come. Come. If I move, you will hate it. I think I'm too hungry that's why I can't feed. I'll literally spend the whole entire episode getting this cute little kitty cat. Ooh, yes. Come to me. I want to feed you. Oh, yeah, right there. Why can't I feed you? Let me feed you. Oh, my gosh. Let me feed you. Yes. Get fed. I want to feed you. Oh, yes. Can I feed you? Oh my gosh! What scared you? You know what? You're spoiled. You're a spoiled little cat. Why are you so spoiled? Oh, it's a white kitty. That's a chicken. Oh, you want some food? You don't get food. You're not a kitty. I have to end this video here. No kitty today. I'm sorry. No kitty today.